Hello, this is an instructional video to help practice with Ode to Joy by Mr. Beethoven right here. I'm going to play the piece from beginning to end, and I'm first going to look at the key signature, which you have two sharps. You have an F sharp and C sharp. The first sharp is the note F. You can see the middle of the square is on the top line, which indicates that it is a note F. The second sharp is this one below, and the middle of the sharp square, like a tic-tac-toe center square, is resting in the space, right? So that indicates that this sharp is the note C. Okay, so there are no slurs in this piece. It's all down bow, up bow, down bow, up bow. Please make sure that you are saving your bow and you slow down your bow for the half notes that look like this. They're not colored in, and they have a stem. There's a half note E here, half note D, half note A, and we have the faster, shorter notes, the eighth notes here that are connected, like right here. Okay, so let's begin slowly, focusing on intonation. So I have my F sharp second finger on the D string, ready, high two, get my bow hold ready, placing it on the D string at the frog, at the lower half of the bow right here. Here we go. After 2 beats, please. 3 and 4 and. Third finger, open A, and third finger, hold, 2, first finger, F sharp, keep your violin up and then place it down into resting position.